Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you the easiest way to set time on Hero Xtreme 125R. So if you also have got this bike, this video will be very helpful to set time. But before moving to the video, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe it. Let's get started. Alright, the very first step is to turn on the ignition of your bike. After turning on the ignition, you will see the instrument cluster looks like this, where just below your instrument cluster there are two buttons, one S for set button, another M for mode button. You have to press that set and mode button at the same time for a few seconds. After pressing that for few seconds, you can see here on the instrument cluster that hour is blinking. Now to adjust hour or to go ahead, you have to press that mode button one by one as shown on the video. If I continue press that mode button, you can see the hour is changing. Now if I continue press the same button, it even changes AM and PM, what you have seen just right now on the video. So this is how you can change AM and PM. Now to adjust minute, press set button once. You can see here the minute have started blinking. Now it's time to adjust that. Press mode button as we have did before one by one to go ahead. 33, 34, 35. In this way you can adjust hour and minute. Now to keep it fixed, you have to press set button at last for one time. You can see here now whatever the time 2:35 I have fixed is over here. Now even though I will turn off the ignition at last and turn it back on, the time 2:35 is fixed over here. Let's say yes, now it's 2:35. So this is how you can adjust time on Hero Xtreme 125R. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and help me to reach 1000 subscribers.